We're going to take you through the complete installation of a 92160 IR extender. We've taken all the contents out of the box. We showed you what was in the box previously. Let's just go over it quickly. This is the target, standard target that comes with the kit. This is the control box for the kit, the power supply, and two emitters. These are the glue-on type emitters that go right over the sensor on the equipment. Let's take a closer look at the terminal block here, which gives you the option to extend your target out using Cat5, Cat6 cable so that you can get a remotely mounted target and get some extended range on it versus the plug-in type target. Two emitters come with it. The emitters are the stick-on type. They stick directly on with a double-sided tape onto the equipment. There is 6 locations on the control box for the emitters. So you can plug 6 individual emitters in, or you can use the dual emitters and get control over 12 pieces of equipment. This is the power supply plug. And now we're plugging in one of the targets. This is the standard target that comes with the kit, surface mounted. Instructions for it are pretty detailed. Good amount of diagrams showing you all of the connection possibilities for the control block. And here we're going to take a look at how to identify the sensor using a flashlight to look behind the front panel of a Blu-ray player, and there you can see the sensor for the IR right there, and that is exactly where we're going to place the emitter. There, this is the actual sensor for the IR on the Blu-ray. So once we locate that, we'll install an emitter onto it. Now we're going to locate the actual sensor on the receiver. This one is a little bit easier to identify. It's right below the knob there. We've placed one of the emitters onto it with the double-sided sticky tape there. The wire is running up to the back of it. Now we'll plug in all of the wires into the block and get the block powered up and ready to go. I'm going to plug in the 2 emitters into the emitter slots. It doesn't make a difference which order you plug them into. The emitters are basically going to be putting out duplicate IR signals. We got both emitters inserted now. Now we're going to put in the power. And finally, we're going to put in the pluggable type target. Once we plug the target in, we can locate the target up near the viewing area. Everything is powered up, ready to go. That is the target that we plugged in. We've got the blue indicating light. This is the target sitting up in front of the actual display monitor. We're going to use a universal programmable type remote. When the target is fired up and the remote signal sent, you can see it gives you an indication. the television or display is coming on. We can see everything is working. The movie is showing. Now we're going to cycle it through turning it off. Make sure that it's turning off properly. And we'll cycle it one more time to make sure that it is coming back on properly. Looks like everything is coming on. We'll let it start up. Verify that it is working properly. This is the 92160 Extender IR kit, complete, installed, available from ramelectronics.net.